Today, we're diving into a common question: how to change your age on TikTok. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the steps. First, open your TikTok app and head to your profile by tapping on the icon in the bottom right corner. Now, locate the three-line icon in the top right corner and tap it. This will open a menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy in the bottom menu. Once there, find and tap on Report a Problem under the Support section. Next, select Account and Profile under Topics. In the Editing Profile menu, tap Other and then choose Need More Help. This will allow you to send a message to the TikTok support team. Compose a short message explaining that you want to update your birthday on your account. Once you're done, hit Submit. Now, be patient. TikTok support team usually responds within a few days. You'll receive an email asking for government ID proof to verify your birth date. Respond promptly, and they should update your TikTok account to the correct age. If, for some reason, TikTok support doesn't fulfill your request, don't worry. You can always resort to Plan B. Delete your current account and create a new one with the correct date of birth. It's a bit of a hassle, but it gets the job done. So, there you have it. Changing your age on TikTok may not be as straightforward as some other settings, but with a little patience and the right steps, you can make it happen. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Until next time.